Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, that is EdTech. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. Let us begin with our today's video. So our today's video is going to be very important because we are going to discuss about the TCS quarter 3 results 2026, and this is going to be an important video because we are going to discuss everything in detail regarding the headcount, the salary hike and the hiring. We will also discuss about the restructuring expenses which fell sharply in quarter 3. Is this a good news or bad news for all the employees? So without wasting any more time, let us move forward. The number one thing that we are going to discuss is please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have already not done that, because this is going to be important for all of the viewers who are watching this video so that they can get regular updates about the videos that we are posting online. Okay, so let us move forward. Number one thing is that the headcount. Okay, the headcount fell to around 5,82,163 employees. Yes, you heard it right. Around 10,000 plus employees have left the company, right? But actually, the number is very different. Okay, so there will be some new people who will be joining, and there will be people who will be leaving as well. So all in all, there is a reduction in the headcount. Okay, so in the last quarter, it was 5,93,000 something, right? But now it has fell by more than 10,000 employees. Okay, so which simply means that TCS has laid off a lot of employees. They have removed or restructured their model, and that is the reason a lot of people have left the company, right? This is the first important update. Now the second important thing is that the synopsis, right? So what exactly is the quarter three result, okay, of TCS? So they have announced their December quarter results, okay, and the net profit, okay, it saw a 14% year-on-year drop, which is 13.8% almost, right? So this is a not a very good news, okay. So the revenue from the operations increased by 5% compared to the previous year, okay, in the same quarter. But here you can see that most of the companies are having a lot of leaves or vacations in the December month, right? All the December month goes in vacation for the European or the US clients, and that is the reason there is a lot of productive things that are happening in the company. There are a lot of projects which are still in the pipeline, but that will be coming into picture when Jan or Feb starts, right? So this is the thing. Now, the next important thing is that they also declared an interim dividend for the financial year 26, which will be around 57 rupees odd. Okay. So if you're a shareholder, if you're having some shares, then you will be getting per share around 57 rupees. And the management highlighted that there is a continued growth momentum and significant revenue that is coming from the AI services. We are going to discuss about that also. Okay. But now just to give you a comparison, okay, HCL also mentioned about their quarter three results. Okay, and they also are seeing a drop of 11.2%, okay, on year on year. Same thing goes with TCS also. They are having 13.8% of loss, okay, or the profit decline, I would say, not loss. Sorry for the wrong word. Now, the next important thing is regarding the quarter three results. Okay, what are the highlights? So, the revenue, as I already mentioned, is around 67,000 crores, right? Which is 2% quarter on quarter, and there is a sequential growth of 0.8%. We'll not go deep into that, but here is something which is important. Let me just turn on the pointer real quick. So here you can see annualized AI services revenue at 1.8 billion, okay, which is up 17.3% quarter on quarter in constant currency, which means that there is a lot of revenue that has been increased, which is coming from the AI related services that the TCS company is providing to all of its clients. So this means that if you are someone who is working along with AI, then the chances are that you might also get a good appraisal, a good salary hike if the company is growing at this particular pace, which is a very good thing, right? Will be getting good salary hike. There will be more hiring in that particular space if you consider regarding the AI services and machine learning operations, right? Next important thing, as already everyone knows, TCS works on 25, 24 or 25, 26% of margin. Okay. Now the net income is around 13.4838 crore, okay, and the net margin, as you already know, you can see from the screen. But here important thing is that total contract value, TCV, which is highlighted every time, right? It is around $10 billion US dollars for TCS for, okay, for every quarter, almost. That is average that they have. Now if they are having 9.3 billion, that is almost the same, right? In the previous quarter it was, I think, around $10 billion or $12 billion, right? Something like that. So they have already paid a dividend. They are going to pay a dividend, which is 57 rupees, right? Next important thing is that now I want to share a video about all the commentary by the management, right? But I'll be creating a separate video for that, and that will be live by tomorrow morning, in the early morning, or maybe today in the evening. Okay. Now, what did Aarti Subramaniam, who is the COO, Chief Operating Officer, she mentioned that they continue to see AI acceleration this quarter also, because 17.7% might have already seen, right, quarter on quarter growth, and they want to help customers identify valuable AI opportunities through innovation days and deployed solutions faster with rapid builds. So they continue to invest in cloud, data, cybersecurity, and enterprise transformations to build readiness for the AI. Even if you look at all the banking applications or the banking clients, okay, they are having legacy code, right? Now transforming that using AI into the latest technology, latest tech stack, that will be an point wherein they will be earning a lot of money. Companies like TCS will be earning a lot of money, like Infosys also, Wipro also, they'll be earning a lot of money from this transformation or upgradation of the softwares or upgradation of the tech stack and the security protocols, right? So this is what they have mentioned. Okay, now they are strengthening their Salesforce capabilities with Coastal Cloud acquisition, building on our investment in the List Engage. So they have acquired List Engage also. So they are trying to build more and more about the Salesforce capabilities. So this is what the COO said. Okay. Now the next important thing again I want to share with you all is that we are going to share a video about the commentary from the HR head. Okay, we are going to share the commentary from the CEO, the COO, and everyone else. Okay, which is important for all the people who are working in companies like TCS, Infosys, and Wipro, Capgemini, Cognizant, because TCS is kind of a torch bearer. Whatever TCS does, that is absolutely followed by all other companies, most of the companies, I would say. So that is the reason it is going to be very important to watch that video. So please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel if you have already not done that. Okay. With this, I would like to end our today's video. If you find this video helpful, then please share this video with all of your friends who are working in the IT industry. Also, I missed about the salary part, the salary hike. TCS has already mentioned, we have already created a video on that particular topic, that people, freshers and experienced people who are not compliant with the return to office or work from office, they will not be getting any kind of salary hike. This is what the CEO has mentioned. So it is very evident, it is very important for you to come to office and be there, be present, and work from office, which I feel is not a very good thing. There should be a hybrid policy that should be implemented by TCS. Even because of that, the attrition is going to be very high. Okay, so with this, I would like to end today's video. Please, please, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to share this video with all of your friends. Thank you and have a great day.